everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get chat on your screen in your Twitch account. So, in order to get chat on your screen in your Twitch account, you can follow the simple steps. First thing first, you have to go and log in into twitchtv.com. And once you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. Now, there are different ways on how you can get a chat on your screen. Now, first thing, you could go ahead and use Twitch pop-out chat. Pop-out chat. That means you could go ahead and add a Chrome extension that opens a streamer's chat in the separate windows. Apart from it, you could go to the stream manager. So for that, you need to go to your profile and you could go to channel, or you could also go to video producer, whatever. So what you have to do is go to creators dashboard, and when you go to creator dashboard, you can see stream managers. Go ahead and press this out and click the three arrows until drop in the top right corner of the panel. You can find it over here, and you could see this pop out stream together. You could go and click on it, and here you could read out all this information and you can find it out. And apart from it, you could also go and add a Twitch chat overlay to your stream. You could resize, change the theme, and you could also go ahead and customize the text settings as well. So this way you could get the chat on your screen. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.